NAS mutation patterns in colorectal cancer, insights from Ugandan cohort. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In Uganda, the incidence of colorectal cancer (CRC) is rising, though still relatively low compared to developed countries, with a 5-year survival rate of 5.6%. Western literature shows that GNAS mutations are linked with failed treatment outcomes and a poor prognosis in CRC. The GNAS gene mutations are detected in many tumor types, as with KRAS Kusten-Rat sarcoma viral oncogene homolog mutations. The global prevalence of the GNAS mutation in colorectal tumors varies. The objective of this study was to determine the prevalence of pathological GNAS gene mutations and compare them to the clinicopathological features of CRC in Ugandan patients. The participants attending the surgical departments of Masaka Regional Referral Hospital, Mulgo National Referral Hospital, Uganda Martyrs Hospital, Lusca, and Mengo Hospital were prospectively recruited. This was a cross-sectional study in which formalin-fixed paraffin-embedded FFPE-CRC blocks were obtained from 2008 to 2021. The histopathological diagnosis of colorectal adenocarcinoma, grade and LVI status was obtained by 2 consultant pathologists from the H&E slides. Data was abstracted from the medical case files for AJCC stage, topography and demographics. DNA was extracted from CRC, FFPE tissue blocks, and using the QIAGEN custom design panel, library preparation was completed. There were 56 genes which were represented in the custom panel. The GNAS gene was sequenced using the above library preparation and NGS sequencing. Categorical data was summarized using proportions and frequencies corresponding to the GNAS mutation status. Categorical and continuous variables were analyzed using Fisher's exact tests and chi-square tests. A p-value of less than or equal to 0.05 was considered statistically significant. There were 127 CRC participants with a mean SD age of 54.9-16.0 years. The male-female ratio was 1.2. Late-stage 3+4 CRC constituted 85.8% of CRC participants. The majority were moderately differentiated CRC 75.6% and had positive lymphovascular invasion 89.8%. The majority of tumors were in the rectum 44.8% and 74% were left-sided colon tumors. There were 36 28.3% colorectal tumors that were GNAS mutation positive. Out of the MSI tumors, there were 18-50% GNAS positive tumors and 37.4% GNAS negative tumors. P is equal to 0.192. There were 11.1% GNAS positive tumors compared to 17.6% GNAS negative tumors with stage 4 disease. P is equal to 0.301. Out of the tumors that were GNAS mutation positive, 31.5% were KRAS mutation negative and 3.1% were KRAS mutation positive. P is equal to 0.447. In Uganda, the prevalence of GNAS mutations is similar to the prevalence from Japan, however, different to the prevalence reported in other countries. There was no relation between GNAS mutation and demographics, topography, grade, LVI status, stage, MSI status and KRAS mutation status in Ugandan CRC patients. This is the first study in Uganda and in East Africa which has reported on the prevalence of GNAS gene mutations in CRC patients, so further studies are required in this context. Introduction. Colorectal cancer (CRC) is one of the leading causes of cancer-related deaths worldwide. It develops through multiple changes in genes that control how cells grow and die. One such gene, called GNAS, plays a role in how cells receive and respond to signals. When this gene mutates, it can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and cancer spread. In CRC, GNAS mutations, especially at a specific spot codon 201, are linked to poor outcomes and can help predict how the disease will progress. This study focused on understanding how common GNAS mutations are among Ugandan patients with colorectal cancer and whether these gene changes are linked to specific features of their disease. Finding such mutations early may help doctors better diagnose and treat CRC, offering hope for improved management and survival. Understanding these genetic markers is a key step in moving toward more targeted, personalized cancer care. Conclusion. The prevalence of GNAS mutations in CRC patients in Uganda is 28.3%, which is similar to the prevalence from Japan, however, different to the prevalence reported in other countries, Wismer et al., 2025. Our findings showed no association between GNAS mutation and demographics, topography, stage, grade, LVI status, MSI status and KRAS mutation status in Ugandan CRC patients. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.